Yeah, there's no drought. They're not causing droughts anywhere. This was all water. This was all lake at one time. This was all water. All this. This is where the boat launch was. Look at that. Look. The lake is drying up. This was all water. Clear up to these trees. That used to be right there, used to be underwater. That used to be underwater, clear up to those trees. The whole ways down there used to be clear. This was all water, way over your head. This whole lake is drying up. Yeah, but they're not causing droughts in some places and floods in other places. Yeah, they're not doing anything like that.